Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right. So in this problem, each walker is equivalently a capacitor with a capacitance. Sorry, this is capacitor. So the capacitance is 200 picofarads, and they have a potential difference with the ground. V equal to 7 kilovolts. So we want to find out the energy stored in the walker. So we know that for the capacitor, the energy stored in it is equal to half C times V squared, right? So we have the C and we have the V. So plug in the two values, equal to half 200 times 10 to the negative 12, and the V is 7,000 squared. So the value is 4.9 times 10 to the negative third joules, or equivalently, this is 4.9 millijoules. And we also, from the problem, we read that to set up a spark, the potential difference had to be at least 150 millijoules. So as we can see that this value is much less. It's much much smaller than this value. So basically, it's very hard to set up set up explosion by the energy stored in the walker. So it is safe.